The Display Default Value feature allows the administrator to define the default values for a record. The impact of the Display Default Values setup comes when the user starts to enter data in the data sheet. As soon the user enters data, the values defined in the Display Default Values setup will auto-populate in the data sheet. To set up this feature, navigate to the Admin panel in the Excel template. Refer to the Controls section. Select Display Default Values from the first drop-down list. The Instructions box displays the instructions to configure the Display Default Values feature. For better readability, select all the text, copy it, and paste it into Notepad. Review the setup instructions. In the next step of this demo, I will define the Display Default Values for the header invoice currency and header business unit operations. Navigate to the About sheet. After column P, insert a column. Enter the column name in column Q as Display Default Values. To define a display default value, enter a value in the About sheet against the field where you wish to define the display default value. I will define the values in the header invoice currency as USD and the header business unit field as US1 business unit. This concludes the setup of the display default values. In the next part of the demo, I will enter data in the data sheet. Let me start the data input by entering data in the invoice number field. As we can see, the default values are auto-populated in invoice currency and header business unit.